Hello friends, welcome to Shiksharthi. In this session, we shall discuss about the fundamental duties. So let's start this session. As we know, Indian Constitution provides us with many fundamental rights. But at the same time, it is our duty towards our country that is equally important. But the original constitution does not contain the fundamental duties part, although they were present. They were fundamental rights part. So finally, in 1976, 42nd Constitutional Amendment added a very important part of the Indian Constitution, that is fundamental duties. The concept of fundamental duty was taken from erstwhile USSR. Most of the major democratic countries like USA, Canada, France, they don't have a list of duties of citizens. So India has taken the concept of fundamental duties from erstwhile USSR. A new part 4th A in the Constitution has been added, and a single article, that is Article 51A, was added for the fundamental duties. Now the question arises, which duty should be added and which duty should be discarded? To solve this problem, Indira Gandhi government formed Swaran Singh Committee to suggest which duties should be incorporated in the fundamental duties part. Finally, the Swaran Singh Committee recommended 8 fundamental duties in the Constitution, and 2 more were suggested by the government. So, in total, 10 fundamental duties were added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment 1976. But currently, there are 11 fundamental duties present in the Part 4th A and Article 51A of the Indian Constitution. The last fundamental duty, that is 11th fundamental duty, was added by the 86th Constitutional Amendment 2002. So these are the important facts regarding the fundamental duties which must be considered. Now, what are the 11 fundamental duties that are present in the Part 4th A? Now, the first fundamental duty says to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem, which means we should respect the national flag and national anthem of India. Another one is to cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for freedom, which means we should respect our freedom fighters who fought for the country and the national struggle for the freedom. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Fourth one, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. To promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic and regional diversities, and to renounce practices which are derogatory to the dignity of our women, to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers, etc., to value and preserve the rich heritage of the country's culture, to develop scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of reform, to safeguard public property and to stop the violence, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity, And the last and the most important one, that is the 11th duty, which was added by 86th Constitutional Amendment 2002, to provide opportunities for education to the children of ward between the age of 6 and 14 years. So these are the list of 11 fundamental duties we should remember. So what is the significance of fundamental duties? They serve as a reminder to the citizens that while enjoying the rights, they should also be aware of the duties they have to perform or owe towards the country, their society, and to the fellow people. They serve as a source of inspiration for the citizens and promote a sense of discipline and commitment. So these are the basic fundamentals which one should remember about fundamental duties. Concept has been taken from USSR, added by 42nd Constitutional Part 4th and Article 51A. Sardar Swaran Singh Committee was formed. The Part 4A and Article 51A contain fundamental duties. Currently, the final duty was added by 6th Constitutional Amendment 2002. That's all for this session. I hope you like the video. If you don't understand anything, please go through this once again and attend the quiz on our website for better understanding, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.